In today's video, I'm going to show you the actual emails that bought engagement, leads and sales for my coaching clients. This is a small part from the entire masterclass that I did for people who paid $1,500 each to be there. But before we dive in, I want you to understand something really important. Making profit with emails isn't about using fancy copywriting tricks or complex strategies. The emails I'm about to show you work because they follow proven psychological principles and framework that never fails. And in this video, I'm going to break down the exact psychological triggers we use, the complete framework behind each email, the specific elements that drive massive conversions, and finally, the hooks that get up to 42% open rates. Also, if you want me to write an entire email sequence for you for free or want to collaborate with us to scale your coaching business to multiple six-figure months, then check the links in the description. And with that being said, sit back, enjoy the email breakdowns, and I'll see you towards the end of this video.
And based on my years of experience, the simplest way is to structure the email through a framework to make it converting, to make it very much hooking, very much, relatable to your audience, which is HSPTC, which stands for Hook, Story, Principle, Transition, Call to Action. And I already gave one example about that. So we talked about hook, story, and principle in the previous tab. And transition and call to action, I'll explain you a bit more here. So with the subject line part, you must have nailed the hook part. Like if you write the good, spicy subject line following the four things which I shared earlier, you can write the good subject lines which will get opens a lot. Next is story, which you can write using PES copywriting framework. Now it is a completely copywriting thing, so I won't go inside that. You can simply Google it and you will get a lot of blogs, you will get a lot of YouTube videos explaining how to use PES framework. You can even train AI to write emails for you if you know all the prompts and every single thing. But at this point in time, I won't go into the PES or AIDA or any other framework right now. The main game changer, as I said, is the P in the framework, which stands for principle, because they are on your list, so they believe you are an authority and in your industry and want to learn from you. So that's the sole point why they are on your list. So it's your responsibility that you put up a principle, a moral, the main point to every single story you share. Your story, just don't share any story for sharing for the sake of sharing the story. Your every story needs to have a point, and your every point should be presented in a form of story. That's the thing that you can keep in your mind, which you can actually lead to smooth logical transition and call to action to your offers. But now you can actually say that okay, everything is good, but how to actually write these kind of emails which you are talking about? So let's break it down, some of the emails that you might have read. First of all, we have one email from Sagar himself. We couldn't afford my MBA fees. Now that's like Sagar, who is a coach and making good money now, like he's saying that we couldn't afford my MBA fees. Oh my God, why? How? So that's the point that we put it in, inside the mind. It's spicy, it's clickable, it follows the psychological triggers. So that's the thing. Now, hey, first name 2014, my father's business collapsed with my dreams of doing MBA. My hands were shaking as I handed back the admission form. I had to tell him I can't join. We can't afford the fees. But what happened next day still gives me goosebumps. A few days later, my father called me in his room, his eyes tired but determined. Beta, you are joining me. Somehow he had arranged the money. Even today, I don't know how. That moment broke something inside me. Watching your father, the strongest person you know, struggling to fulfill your dream, it changes. This is the point where we evoke, we are building up. This is where we broke it down. Everyone have a father and everyone relates with this line. Like nobody can see his or her father going through all of these things. We broke it down. We evoke the emotion through its peak. That's the point. Then the point is the transition phase. The night I made a promise to myself. I would attend every single class. If you see every single class, how we are going to say it, we write in at way bold with full stop. Every single class, not most classes, not when convenient. Every class. So we will say every class. So every is in bold and class is simple. So every class. Here's what I don't know. The college had no holidays at all. So here is another transition of the story. Picture में जैसे twist and आते हैं ना turns. So यहाँ पे पहले एक आता है turn and then again a turn. Ki, oh, this college have no holiday at all. No Sundays, no festivals, no breaks, 365 days of classes. People thought I was insane. Nobody does this. Take a break sometimes. But they didn't see my father's eyes that then something unexpected happened in those daily classes, a field and XYZ thing. You can come down. Like we again have built up that, and we changed the intrigue. Now, what's the main point? Like for example, if you don't have this particular point, here is the main point. If you don't have this, it's like okay, like a good story, like to have a good story, very nice too. But it didn't click. Like, what's the point of the story? The point is, here's the point. When you commit to consistency from a place of deep emotion and strong why, magic happens. So that's the point. Now his community is all about impacting people's life more than like making money. It's about getting deep into emotion, connecting with your audiences, and making magic happen. So that's the point where we actually used it. When for different coach, we can write when you commit to consistency, things move. Things move in your favor and your business actually grows, something around that. If it have been someone else's brand, since it's Sagar's brand, we actually like turn the things according to him. When we commit to consistency from a place of deep emotion and a strong why, magic happens. Today I am helping hundreds of coaches to make a more impact while scaling their business to consistent six-figure months, and it all started with a broken business, a father's sacrifice, and a desperate promise. Remember, first name is her name. Your greatest setbacks often hide your biggest opportunities. So again, I'm like point emphasizing on the point. So here is the main point, and we are now emphasizing on the main point. You just need to stay consistent long enough to see them unfold. So that's the entire thing. So everyone felt relatable in terms of consistency. If we just remove the principal part, things like are broken. And here we had a call to action very subtle that you need to stay consistent long enough to see them unfold. Simple as that. We didn't like put up a sales or thing. We can, and I'll be showing you next set of examples. But here's the point: was the call to action was very subtle. It was just to add value to the emails, and we got a fantastic reply for this. Like we didn't said anyone to reply. We got good replies. One girl who isn't into the paid programs of Sagar, she like wrote a long mail saying that hey, it actually like made my day. I was feeling XYZ thing, and now I relate with you. I really want to be in your coaching XYZ thing. How good is that? That people themselves are saying that they want to be in your coaching without you saying anything that hey why don't you join my coaching program, I can help you with this. People are saying that yeah, I relate with this, I want to be in your coaching program. If I can show you that screenshot, just give me a second. If you can read this particular email. I'll zoom it. So the girl wrote like this long email that what she's actually going through and all the things like is happening. Like she's said herself that she is not into the program and she want to be there. So that's the entire thing. Like that's the power of like writing such email copies where people feel relatable with you as a coach. Like you are not like selling them anything. You are just like here to help them, to add value, to like give everything you have, and people feel that, and then they like come to you. Hey, I actually vibe with you. You influenced my decision that I was taking, that I was going to take. So if I believe in you, I have trust in you, faith in you, then I'll come into your program. That's the entire point that we want to play.
Let's read the one that I shared. That first name, did I fail as a husband? So here was a subject line, again a very personal subject line that anyone can write about. And we tested two emails with the same subject line in different formats, and I'll show you. So first one was a very simple one. Hey, first name, just a few hours back while I was seeing my 2-year-old princess sleeping, I remembered something. 22nd June 2022. That day I did something which made my wife mad at me. I posted about the entire thing on my Facebook just a minute ago. You may check it here. We just added the Facebook post link. I don't want to add anything extra, so ending this email abruptly. Take care, and done. When you will see, like as a copywriter, I can add all of the things, like all of the what say AID, APAS, and XYZ thing. This email is meant for
feeling human, like someone is like so sad, like so disappointed, so like broken inside, that the person cannot say much about the thing he or she already posted about that on certain platform or blog or whatever. Like they don't want to add anything more, they are so much like, like kind of sad. So this line made the email human. Like apart from all of the things we did here, the hook line, the xyz thing, this line made the entire mail human, that okay, someone is writing their personal feelings to me, I don't want to add anything extra, so ending this email abruptly, nobody says that. And that's the point why most of the brands just feel like a brand and not a personal human where I can connect with. So that's the thing. We tested this with another mail where we actually write the entire story in the mail itself. So let's go into that. I was disturbed in June 2022. Yesterday in the gym, I got a thought. I do go to the gym 5 times a week. Photo, no healthy ahead, just flexing a little. So again, to build a personal connection here. Anyway, cutting to the main thought, Harsh or first name. As you know, I'm a 2 week old father. So basically speaking about his daughter, my wife got pregnant around June 2022, and that was the time I decided to invest $40,000 in a coaching program. My wife was really tensed and repeatedly asked me if I am serious about it. I was really. At the time, I was hitting 20K to 30K months, and there was something inside me saying, Sahil, you will be a father soon, do something. So, like, everyone relates with that. Like, when they are going to become a parent for the first time, they want to make the world abundant for the offsprings, for their kids. So like, you have a lot of money, you have a lot of time, you have all the things in the world, so Sahil, you will be a father soon, do something. That's the point. What? I don't know. The only thing I had in my mind thrilled me. I was at my home office, pressing my head into the table as hard as I could, crying loudly with zero volume. Now all the people again like relates with that. Crying loudly with zero volume. Everyone have like been through that at least once. I just cannot express first name what emotions it was. I got on the call with my coach to be, explained him everything and decided right there to invest 40,000 in him right away. Why? What made me do it? I can't say. No explanations. So again, like a human feel, we are not justifying what we did because we actually don't know why we did it. It was purely from emotion, and people get that emotion. Oh yeah, that makes sense because he cannot explain that. Cut to yesterday in gym, I got a thought. I am grateful to my coach and myself for taking that hard decision. I hit my 100K plus month successfully and welcomed my daughter in the abundant world of opportunities. And I know first name, you two are able to see new responsibilities coming your way. Here is the point. Uh, we made the point here subtly. We didn't say it, here is the point, here is the conclusion, here is the main point. We just made our point that I am grateful to my coach and myself for taking that hard decision. Everyone knows a hard decision right now that they are procrastinating to take. The whole point we made is like, take that hard decision and stick with that. So that's the point we made subtly. We didn't like said that, hey, here's the point, but people get in their heads about that. Now we are making the transition to our main call to action. So here we had the entire hook, the entire story, and now we are making the transition to our main call to action. So and I know first name, you two are able to see new responsibilities coming your way towards your parents or your spouse or your children or yourself. Now here we want to be relatable at max. We don't know like all the people on our list are parents to be or not, so they can relate with that or not. So we said towards your parents, if it could be a young one like 22 23-year old who want to scale their business and they have some responsibilities toward their parents, so we said towards your parents or your spouse. It could be someone from 25 26 28 30 who is getting married very soon, or your children who are going to come over there, or like if nothing suits anything, or yourself. So everyone have some kind of responsibility towards himself that I want to travel the world. I want to do this particular thing. I want to go somewhere. I want to do some things, and I'm unable to do it because of one hard decision that I'm not taking right now, which I know I have to, but I'm just procrastinating it. So we made the point there. 40K, 100K, blah 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 are scary numbers until you hit them for yourself, for yourself. That's the main point. The question is not can you hit them or not. The question is, do you want to hit them or not? One of the lines my coaches said me then, I say the same to you today. So we are again making this human, that we are not ideal. Like, this is not my line, like I am a big coach. Like, I am the one who learned it from someone else, and today I am at a stage where you are following me. This is the line which changed my thing, like my journey. Now I'm sharing this line with you, saying the same line to you. So we are making us a human again, not like godly thing, like we know everything, every single thing. If you want to do, let's discuss how. The at needs investment of $0 and a simple reply to this email saying more. I will personally send you all the details to you. Cool first name, I hope yes. Looking forward to talk, Sahil. The whole point is here we made the call to action is just reply to this mail because we want leads for our high ticket coaching. So this guy have a coaching program of 7,500 USD. So we want just leads so people can start talking with us over mails, and then we drive them to our Instagram FB. We talk with them there, and then we close them for our call, and on call we close them to our main coaching. So like it's a long cycle. The whole point is we just want yeses, we just want leads here. So that's the call to action we made. So the entire point is we made the hook, we went through the entire the story part, we made the principle here, then we did the transition very smooth, and then we put the call to action. Like, the call to action is this: apply more and I'll send you all the information. That's the entire point.
That's all for this video. I believe that you learned how to write email that engages and also turn subscribers into buyers for your coaching business. Now, if you want all the emails that I shared, then get the direct access link in the description. And again, if you want me and my team to write an entire email sequence for you for free, then click the first link in the description. It could be any sequence with any number of emails. You just need to get qualified for that, and if you do, we will get on a call and start it as soon as possible. Perfect. Click the first link in the description, fill the form, and I hope to see you on the other side.